Wait. I'm Chris.
I'm Heavy.
And today we're making fried Twix and Snickers. What's up, YouTube? Look, Chris, I'm your person. TV and that back today we're making fried Twix and Snickers. Before we get to that video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, tap that ringer, and spam if they come take me. Because you already know it's
boy, if you don't kiss me every time.
Hi guys, so today you're gonna need pancake mix and powdered sugar.
Next, you will need ground sugar in a bowl. You're gonna need a spatula and a whisker.
Obviously, you're gonna need a pan, oil. Now what I'm about to do is pour the pancake mix in. You know, black people don't care how much they put in. You know, they got a lot.
Next, you need to add some water. See, I'm black, so, you know, I don't have a measuring cup. I don't need one.
Now he's gonna add as we go.
Okay, at this point, I was just pouring water in, but it actually turned out very good. You know, I had to do salt bae with the sugar.
Well, at this point, my arm got tired, so I'll let him take over. Now we about to whip it up with some vegetable oil.
But peep the teamwork, though, as she pour our mix. Now we're just trying to get the lumps out the pancake batter.
That's teamwork right there. Well, at this point, he was gone, so I had to stick a little bit of sugar in there because black people need a lot.
I see the evidence all right here. Why is you all the way over there? The camera's right here.
You wasn't supposed to see that.
We gotta let the grease get hot.
You gonna smack me, bitch? Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Somebody, oh!
He needs some milk.
Wait. Go. Wait till you see the. No.
Well, shit. What are y'all doing? Screwing?
So now we're just unwrapping the chocolate bars. Always keep your kitchen clean.
You gonna get blocked. Shaniki.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Shaniki.
Y'all gonna give me a stomach ache. Oh, it's good.
Mercy, which one you want? I want a sneaker.
I want a sneaker. That's a sneaker. What's that?
Right here.
What's a sneaker? Which one?
That's the big one.
Looks like some at the fair.
Okay.
Bro.
Nice.
It's rich.
It's rich people food.
This hit.
They don't. Oh.
Bro. Dog. I need water.
Okay.
Make you thirsty.
Jesus Christ.
I'm just playing.
You gotta eat it while it's warm, okay? Eat it while who made a mess, but it's worth it.
Who made a mess? You made a mess. We all made a mess.
We got powder sugar everywhere. Hey, everybody, eat that.
I'm trying.
I'm trying.
I'm trying. I'm really trying.
Yeah, that's how you try.
Wait a minute.
That's how you try. Hold on. Hold on. Okay.
It's dripping.
The Twix is like more. What's the word for? Yeah, it got that. What Twix got in it? That waffle. It got that waffle thing in it, so you can most definitely that didn't melt. My bad. The way she looked at me. So you can taste the waffle, but the chocolate is just so rich and melty.
If the police
Creamy.
come here, they... I think we putting crack on our food.
But anyway, man, we'll just
So I
talk
passed
about
that like I
that.
ain't just said it.
It is crack. Stop telling them that though.
Don't tell all my business. I don't even do this.
I don't even do this. We ain't in no dang gone with it. I almost said something. But that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, tap that ring, expand the comment section, and stay crazy, Tinkers fam.
And don't forget to comment.